Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find closed DM. There are multiple ways to do so let's begin. The first one is if you have the person in your friends list. If you do, and the person for instance is not online, we can go to all section over here in the friends. And let's say this is the friend that I have DM'd with in the past, but now the DM is closed. So in order to reopen it, I can simply click over here, message, in order to reopen the DM. Let's close that again. Another option is over here on the left side where you have direct messages. You have this plus sign where it says create DM. If we click over here you can type the username of your friend. So for instance, if you know the full username of your friend, then you can type over here and then you can select them and recreate the DM. Or if you have them over here on this list, you can select them and then create DM as well, and then you will reopen the DM. If that person is not on the list of your friends list and you don't remember the full username, but there is a possibility that the person is on the same server as you, then of course you can find that person on the members list of the server, right click and then send the message over here. And these are all the ways that allows you to reopen the closed DM. Oh, and there is of course last more option which I just reminded myself of. At the top over here in direct messages you have find or start a conversation. If we click over here, then we have an option to type the username, and in order to do that we have to first type the @ sign and then type the part of the username. So you don't even have to remember the full username, you can remember just a part of it. And then Discord should suggest users that you had DM'd with in the past. So once you find your person, then you can select them and then you will reopen the closed DM as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.